So I've got the field flattener back off of the field flattener, and then I have the L-enhance filter out. And what happens is you just put this inside here, and then you screw it on. Let me put this on here so it won't move around so much. And let's see if I can get this to go. These threads are all very very fine threads, so it's kind of hard to do. But anyway, you kind of get the point. Let me see if I can get that set on there. And thread it on. I tried it ahead of time and I know it goes on there. Alright, hang on just a second. Let me see if I can just set this guy right here and get things somewhat aligned. There it goes. Okay, I'm getting it screwed on there. It doesn't go on very far, but there you can see it's on. I'm going to do a quick blow off because I see a speck of dust on there. And then we'll get over to the telescope. And put it all back together. Darn it. That guy just doesn't want to get off of there. Alright, I think I got it. Okay, there it is, all dust free. Let's take it back over and put it on the telescope. So what I just realized is that, they say these are adjustable field flatteners, and this is what they mean. You can adjust the distance away from the back of the glass inside here to adjust for, if you're getting, your stars are not quite coming out round. You can actually get about, looks like 15. My cat is desperate to get on my lap, and this was not the time. Looks like about 15 millimeters of travel, and then you can lock it in with this ring right here. So I have got mine set up to where it looks pretty good for focus even out to the edge, but I may end up playing with this later on. These threads are super fine, so there's a really good ability to, there it goes, really good ability to set your distance, your back focus distance with this, and it takes forever to get it on because the threads are super fine. Right now I'm just gonna put it in and see how things go, and if I look at my pictures and my images and find that my field is not flat, then at least I know I can go in and adjust this and try to get a better better look on some of the oblong stars. So there we go. We got that. I will come over and get my camera. See if I can one-hand this thing on. Let's see here. There we go. And there it is. I'm ready to go. All I need is a clear day, clear night, and that's it, folks. Well, I wish you clear skies and lots of luck with the very complicated contraptions that we all have so much fun playing with. We'll see you later.